Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Wait, so the video when I do yesterday, she came to my video of yesterday. She collected everything. She took the entire video of 2 hours, something minutes she put on her platform with the intention of using it to make money. With the intention of saying, oh, I want to be using this video to make money. So that my video will be giving me money and it will be giving her money. Impossible. You know why? Because I never showed your face on my video. I never show your face on my video. I was just doing and analyzing the situation on ground. I'm waiting you don't feel do blessing, Joe. You don't kill her. You don't carry Agbada, go there, go take it, blessing, Joe. What have you done? You want to come and follow me to drag my own food inside my own house, on my own cyberspace. That is stubbornness. I don't like things like that. It will make me never to leave you alone. Stubbornness, we pass body, we pass gauge. I know they like her. Rudeness. You want to go use me to brag for your followers, say you can do anything you can. When my irrita me here. So now me just decide say, and sometimes it's because of the amount of people. I'll just also say, let me give them the benefit of that and talk. On my own birthday, when I did do my birthday, she was busy there. He sets Vera for grants in a Vera bully, never did birthday or email. So what are you people talking about? Why am I giving no rena here no refer to my people. So let's continue yesterday. Let's continue from where we stopped. On the critical analysis of yesterday. This will not be saga. I'm not doing saga. Somebody said truth. Thank you. And don't look. The time Vera they opened up. Somebody say no even understand what Rita they talk. How you will understand that you just jump inside agree? You won't understand the whole thing in 1 minute. Somebody don't make me forget what I want to talk now. What's your one eye? I want to analyze a video from where I stopped. Mom, good evening, ma. I forgot to call you after the live video. I will call you. Alright. I want you to call me. We need to talk. He carried my video. He carried my full video. He go put on for a page. Now they do that kind of thing. Not do one again. Because I think say yourself, I think say you don't take for this job. You know social media way. You know the, oh Judith, you know the work where you know how social media be. Yeah, you just enter place the territory, you just pack everything, you just go put for your platform, you want to use and content make money. Make people come they say you be a duga, you too much, or you do this, you do that. Your followers, they don't love me, they hate me. Tell them that my followers also hate you. They don't love you. They dislike you with serious passion. Alright? They dislike you with serious passion. And I don't know what they go on for social media. If you are a starter, you enter the social media and you are doing what you are doing, your work. They want you, if you say, oh, I am a person who wants to be contributing on social issues, what is happening on social media and sharing my mind. Some particular people want you to be a puppet to them. A house girl, a person they can control. That's when the problem will start. That is where the war will start from. They want you to become a puppet. When you are not a puppet to them, then they use you, do what they like. They can be bringing you to whatever they like. That one, they'll be very satisfied about it. Then you are their friends. Now in this Vera go take 4 victims for where I go 4 victims the other day. Which somebody like me is not easy to do with me, you know, all those things. So the problem I have with them is the problem of I know who I am. That's the problem I have with them. So the reason why I'm analyzing this video with my full chest and full confidence is that this video she did yesterday, this nonsense video, is my video. It's my own. Although she did it in a platform, she used her mouth to say it. She used her body to talk about it, but it is my video. And I don't know how it be my video. I will not go, maybe, I don't know. Because a video before you finish the video, you was lashing on Vera with work on the quarrel, of which the fight is the fight we be say I expect for a very long time. How will you say it's not my video? I've been expecting that fight for a very long time. You have used Vera to bully me and they expect to fight. And when fight can finally come. And I also promise people that when your fights come, I will sit down here. I will not fight. I will not shout. I will not insult anyone. I will just do the analysis and tell you, as you are looking at Vera and telling Vera the truth in your mouth, I will also be looking straight in the stream and telling you what you are supposed to know. What you are supposed to know. Hmm? Oh.
Can you come down? We'll go drive around. Okay. Come down.
Give me pass. I need to pass.
I have.
Vera, you see what my mama they use? My mommy, Estalada. No, they rub all those shock. Until they talk to people with better pass you 1 million times. Yes, this one. Yeah.
Whatty my mama they rub? Estelado. It's Estelada. They call it Estelada. Estelada is not too expensive. It's just 40 euro. It's not a thing a person is supposed to be gallivanting about in front of the screen, except you're a very poor person. Alright? When you are a very poor woman, you can't be 20 years in Europe and be telling Vera to say you are using Vera is using, she's using Estelada with Vera, who is just coming to Europe. Now you can't use Estelada for the platform. You see what your mama they use. This is Estelada. My own, I know even they use her against if I don't forget her for granted for them. Because sometimes you get the way they even they be for face. Sometimes, you know. So not Vera not be person where you go use Estelada take prat for. Because she's just coming to Europe. She can use the new one where they come, where other people never use. Now she go use tomorrow. You understand? So Estelada is not a big deal. That's way back to house in UK under 2 weeks. You can't use Estelada take the pride for Dora. I be Vera what be her name. Do I boy because of Estelada my Vera way? Come and see the Estelada that I am using. It doesn't make you classic and know what you are doing.
No, only this. Yeah. Yeah. I hope that they could give me pass just now. Okay, give me. Then where you need to know your journey, son. Your job. Do you want tight for your lap? You know, if you go see picture where you did take. This I know they see all those things. If mommy Monica they envy you for man, there is something that is in your heart. Because they were not doing well, ni massive well. You buy 1 million. Adi jeni pie grandchildren e yan hen tie mommy Monica yen tired na me we mo ke le biyan with a respect.
Abi je ni hen de ni yan hen ta we anyway. Yen ri mommy by. Respect is not what somebody demand. The reason why this woman have a very big problem on social media is that you demand the respect you are just fond of demanding respect from people. People should come and be respecting you. It's not by force. People who call me Mommy Rita, I never told them to call me. I never even tell them to say I'm mommy. This one is something you can just get in. You just earn it. People wait, the way I seen you, wait, don't they have many years? Then they call me mommy, whatever. Yeah? No, wait to try to be yourself. They're not the force respect to say somebody people must call you this, they must call you that. Also, with social media. I'm gonna do tea with mommy, who said tea with I'm gonna do tama with mommy, who wet tea with. I know how many people they call me mommy. Eh, me rock ba. Wait, Rita, lady, Rita, anything. It's not a problem for me. Respect is in. You don't propaganda for it. Where propaganda, you respect it, people should come and be respecting you by force. Go and create your content, your topic. This is my topic. You hear my mouth full inside now. I'm the owner of this video. You don't know that? Oh, you are just fooling me.
here. Ayo yo wa no mama o pa ya we gbo na ayo fian le lu wa kan. Abi
Vera don't carry a name. You are just equally Ayoyuwa. Because I don't understand them. You don't see any the whole social media native we Ayoyuwa. You are not here to come and give Vera your name. And in a moment you meet you where the social media fake accounts call you Ayoyuwa. Everybody. People call you Ayoyuwa. There was even a video on Ayoyuwa. Never beg the social media. Now you're not feeling the way. Today you are not calling Vera Ayoyuwa.
Yeah, you need money son. Rubbish. Elapi we e oni san we so we get girl one name oni san wa me one we then we you need no ya joni san
Elapi we e oni san we get girl one name oni san then we need no we am oni san e Monica we atiki oni so we to be Facebook na bu bere do we deliver kibi. Can you try it and come out one day without wearing padded nyash? Why it's Damoya just for one day? Nula Dian without padded nyash. Let's see what you are going to look like. Let's see how you are going to be without Umajo Nissan. This one won't be fight too. Without Umajo Nissan. Just try yourself one day. Try it, sit down. Come sit down for this social media. Or just walk around without Umajo Nissan. Let's see. Who work on Nissan Vera? No masse. No polose. On Nissan Vera Nissan, but Oga Fiego Nissan. On is I have but how where are money San John on do ye big Fiege or ye be then I'm gonna act in a market big boo. They shake. So with all those lifestyle no we live in you hang with Ladian we Guillaume, you go man on San big no pa on San flat, we vera Guillaume, go me flat nyash. For quite flat nyash I have the social media all bo last one. Why are you always putting your problem on top of Vera? Why now don't turn you with Vera now? Good evening, how are you? Why not do I have Vera go swim flat nyash? E Vera reba bu swim flat na. E Vera even na ya screenshot here. E Vera even na ya bully on my fake account. Buwa. Oh now warning. All this thing where you teach Vera, you teach her how to bully, how to sit down, bully people where not taught to run. This is exactly what you taught Vera, and this is exactly where she is now good and she's grounded inside. You are lying on top of that girl. May her head kill you. No one Vera talk boy. May her head kill you. No one Vera kma wo duri you toy you go. Why are you saying it's Vera that is talking about flat nyash? Flat nyash generated from you and your husband. And today, only samena me do bolo so we keke bo da fun. Ona bolo so we. Or that female back banana the muscle that from where two of you are not presentable, you don't look good. With a Snapchat, you cannot even do a live video. Ngozi Ezeke, I understand. I know they support Vera. You say not they support Vera again because she too insults you and your children. They forget. I not forget. She insults me where, but you people supported Vera to be insulting me for how long? They supported Vera to be insulting me and bullying me for how long? So who is coming here to tell me now say create your content? The time they're going to start fighting, their fight is my content. As long as they are fighting, it is my content. I'm the owner of that content. How is it not my content? Come and tell me how it's not my own. The time they were using me, when she came out to tell Vera, say, Vera, ya ki a platform where ya monetize. Uwa wua, abu wanire Facebook na ta uwa ruwa uwa biti. Mi kan gba iwa ovegeni. Wa ma hon ni Facebook na wa gaye. Eni mu wa lea, sonti kare una ron. The time we Vera, we atu arite Vera say use and say monetize. Wa mare Facebook na. So why are you people not telling me to say, go and create your content? I'm a good content creator if I want to do my topics. I can't crack my brain and do topic when topic is on my table. You want me to go and be reading dictionary when I have topics on my table that people can learn from? This is life history that people can learn from. You do me, I do you. Neither they call this one. So if you don't want to take it like you do me, I do you, please go. Go, because you didn't know the genesis. You don't know it at all. People wait there, yes, so they know the genesis of everything. So if I don't reply somebody for 1 day and 6 months, 7 months, you didn't know that I was waiting for a particular thing or day. You don't know say I did wait. So you think say I just keep quiet because my patient too big. Waiting most of Nana will do. No. my people. I was waiting for today. This is the day I was waiting for at this particular moment. Igbina laya evek beni vera agbe no kere no bani gakwa. Ega ahe. Osi eni mana gwe gwa. Eto an ega amume.
Ya Johnny san. And what gem? You need to wear tights. Ghetto tights for your lap. You know good.
Ya si bi oho ye kore. Ibi oho. Ya si ye kore no se Vera. Vera is more cuter than you. I told you yesterday. Si bi oho ye were. Emi atia ege. Emi ogo na egbe is very bad. She go market. I don't know a Kenya Junior ne do those cheap meats near there. One more you went to buy wa gia sheep meat. Emi ogo no barang beri be webu. Why a sila body sile lama silevi silori. Why oye meat? Oma adi oye meat igbe e gbana bege e do ya pita say na body na for the see wetin person chop sleep. Body e gbana mimi na e wari da e dan almost to show the gbo. E reason no see e no na do kin hele emi wo dawo. O ha gbo we total we mutia you that way like video straight. Then I other people, the only thing you can do is to sit down when you are around 24 hours. You cannot show a picture straight to manado. Uwana okono amoje e woman fled. Why you no say manado fled the benyana. It's a pregnant woman style. A style who no be an in money. Never. A style pregnant woman. Anytime you see a woman who wear this thing with her, it's said that a quaid digba or she's pregnant. I'm pregnant with me or she gone, ya we top. But that's what you do. But today you want to come and be talking to Vera, your helper. Vera is your rescuer, your survivor. I'm not survive the way. Oh, what do I Google when you have a social media? You are mad.
If you go see picture where you did say, carry my own journal, me with senior Joe, I senior your senior sister.
Me senior you, Monica Medion where? I'm older than you, I'm not your mate, and you know it. You who are well, but look how cuter I look than you. Ya mudia ekome ye sifa. A body rokama de gwe mohe mutoto. But your own body, there's nothing to write on about. So it's not about age. Some people have bad bodies. Some people have very bad bodies. Ya me gbedan. E gbedan ina so ya wa ebuku no. Ya ri ebuku bejian or berian or e va ni andoae or si gbedan re. When you have a bad body, when you are eating bad food, when you are eating bad things, when you are eating a dynamic gassy, why do teta fi have a live video? A lama we ti gabe no kebe na lama. When you go chop a lama no maga, uswa bolo de ko. Ah we enya. Enya we ye na woman. O mana muje o banari no ri hu BP every day.
Eh? You quick boom. Even your picking where there are many years. You don't know anything. My daughter Amber go teach you. Teach your picking, teach you is the one where you born for. Now go around a frustration go for people. Everybody where you they talk to for live video. Look at my life. Mama Gladys better pass you 101 times. Our children don't grow, they will talk for them with one man.
You see this Mama Gladys matter where she talk inside. Let me talk to you, my people. Vera started insulting Mama Gladys. Heat. Like heat wouldn't they say heat because of this same devil. Because of this same satanic woman. Now I person where Vera insult Mama Gladys. Where? Although say Mama Gladys will get connection with that one. But because say you not when they play with person where they fight for. Because say you not when they play with that one, you don't get good connection with that one. And so he go they use Vera to the bullying. He use Vera to do many dirty jobs on social media, my people. I don't even know how that one I tell you. Sometimes I wonder to say, what is it that opens her eyes? Hey, can you imagine? Now so God to the walk. Her eyes just open. It's just they use something they do dirty. Then they clean shit on our it just be like you own that trailer no why you trailer home. It's really horrible, my people. Vera fought a lot of dirty fights on social media for this woman down. Sometimes I'll just look and feel sorry for her. I feel sorry for them. Even if they don't, then use them, they hurt me. I know say no be their eye because I don't do anything now. I know say they enter inside their body. One thing you people must know about this lady, if you are not spiritually backed up, you cannot handle her. If you like, take it on social media. If you like, don't take it. If you are not spiritually backed up, you can't handle her because the teeth where she gets in the spiritual realm is more than 350 sets of teeth in her mouth. The set of teeth she carry is more than 360 sets of teeth. Take it or leave it. So those things that you know or you are thinking is very true. It's very true. Her set of teeth is more than 350 in the night. She's a complete evil. When you say somebody is evil, she's evil. If I tell you something, believe me, I know what I'm telling you. Draculate, thank you so much. Her teeth in the night, no yamu sagin, it's more than 350. But with people like us, she will not shave it. You get the people where he thinks they work for their body. You know, that's why she wonder about to say, who are all these ones?
Amaka ya aso sa nera ya we asa. Era na ya we aso sa etoro era we amati pe na ya we aso sa ne dionwa. Masie you egbe. Daddy cool where are you?
And when we tia ye vera aso sa. Umata my we vera. Then use you pay debt. Now debt your father use you pay. Now debt your mama use you pay. Now debt your family use you pay. Oh. It not good maybe say you can't do all this dirty work for me. Concentrate on your life. Go and work so that you can pay the debt they use you to pay back. He was using her to clean your shit. You need to go and apologize to Vera. Apology Vera. We make peace with Facebook.
Yeah, we are not for drop me.
Well, finish in a boy Vera. Apology me.
Why did they worry you? What na me mi la gbon den na ba mu munere wu egbo ba mu munere na you talk pass who you be wetin you dey talk na me me home.
If you see her forehead, her eye forehead when she dey do that video, that yeah like come make me laugh. You can see the expression in the face. Oh wa me munere o mu pa eh wetin you expect? You don't know say na so vera de munere. Eh? You don't know say na so vera de munere. Not be you give her munere make carry. You are not complaining what mo mujoto. Atiku have learn a lesson wonona. Because it's jotiku hin, no silotiku hin. Esta when ore bejo we jotiku ge hin. So next time the yagwali ko be mu cause position de vera na wakba. E sanore bejo live agwa or live anele na gwana. You give run a city vera. As we are talking right now. A city vera or TMT, but a star la on a replace a Stanore Bejo is not running the city of Vera. A Vera is city where my empty at all. Where one will get to the league. Immediately you carry that gate run, reach one place, sister run follow your now we get it with Vera la we get it mend off where I can we give me fecola Doria Ghana because in bully make both damage. As me, I'm talking to you right now, your sister in Bejo is busy sitting in that seat. I'm not looking at Sigmini about Team Vera in no hole. Evani wana gmina gbelegboa because where you are erenia or one who vije hian vije we say na for how many years one gmina no we since uriye kpifun metamu wa igmina ya se you wa yagbe wa gmina wa gbelegboa.
Wagwan na me yo back eh German lady they better pass you 1 million times. If with your husband and they do it you not get supporter.
So German lady better. Now make me say this video is just to remember and I will analyze it. Even though one cry me cry. So German lady we magi egbe of social media now you know what you do those family. Do you want me to take your mind back to German lady saga? You and German lady. You allow those people rest. Now you are not saying German lady better pass Vera. So you was jealousing her and her husband those days. You don't let the rest. The time where your husband did this UK way they so where Jama First Lady did. Jama First Lady was the first Benin woman where they get support of husband on social media. I don't know how many of you remember. Let me be taking your mind back one after the other. Now remember, even before this one where do I like this thing so. This one where do I like a pot na azizobo ya dana. Ave pot ibi wagwa na azizobo ya dana face. You see this one where they talk so. You don't let Jama First Lady rest for this social media. Or we love Jama First Lady back. That husband where they help that woman. Or take bobo. The time where and grandma mother-in-law problem happen. The way where this woman take collect Jama First Lady come they happy follow and do saga. Mena nerita na do why ejiri. I was one of the people who wole Jama First Lady who boko na. Because of my get here. And you know what the thing she was dealing with Jama First Lady for was purely jealousy. My husband is in UK, no they help me, I don't get any help. Well, again, if he writes something for social media, not they complete. Now don't forget. If he writes something, you know they complete. Anything where he writes, not they complete. Maybe now how many years where that one will contain and that one will contain correct and for. And be when they did the same as where they see person where they sit down, any edubejo go, they write and for. But that time you pack more. Or what bezaraza, or one more date on MFA street. They will understand they cannot date a now so it be those days. Muna Asan, Jama First Lady, we can't tell Vera today. Not be as Vera fight Jama First Lady, and your castle and be Jama First Lady, or beg you're gonna in Vera. It be like say she don't forget to. She don't forget, or Magijere, and you know what me. Now you are not telling Jama First Lady to. You are not telling Vera to say, yeah, Jama First Lady, you're mashing when you come down from. Come with me, because you say Tafia and walk by Facebook. You so Vasabi and we maybe we only Messi and we na me weti me very Vasabi buku. We only Messi and we. Yet to see an my lady. Because of Vasabina, then we do a buku, we made you a buku. Jess, or I can beg Muga or me, we, a retana el. Over Sabia, you mean what in him. He made me chop on, woohoo. Then where you have we made to see and when walk party. Niatia, how are you, darling? Do your dog. No twe, no red John or Webcoven and Bogaru is sent no see a cooking of the aqua that we were bob be and abiakwe. Me no ne tafiasu about Toyaji. Yaga any o can it be moes or moes a granny? You don't carry your sister, Richard. So that this over Sabi and one walk away, walk past no teme destiny bagua, walk past no teme skimmy ya, walk past no semi ya no Facebook, come away at over Sabi, where I tell who are in the raga and you and you need boom. No boom, who was son of boom, bavan. No boom, who was son of boom, bavan. No, Miss Sammy no flatty boo and no flatty dig boom. No flatty ya working in Utonok berry. Apple low with bagmoon. Who am I supporting? What do I supporting? Where you were supporting? Where? Okay, I let the more or let the video. Me. That is why I continue to say, Umama Vera, I'm going to Masoe. Eka Vera ya le no more, but to or who where time me dom again where ya le nemo. When do you always cook for your children, madam? 24 hours. May I certainly like video the day back where I was 3 days at home off not working. I've done a lot of things inside the house. Oh, wait, 24 hours, a man about that phone. Could be another Mukara yet, no me de Quayahara. Oh, be another with your Quayahara and a companion on the webo. A old day you wife, your man. Una old days, a retirement to why it's Wozu, the webuna. I mean, your party la Bua. Because woman when I your big government, woman when I your that woman when I your bunch of empty people. Oh, why, Vahim. The video we ya so badana. We analyze any fear those been. Even more than your way. Any video no na gume tell me ya analyze it. Even no so here. Oh boy moyo 24/7 go sleep take go sleep take go sleep wa wo ye banana ya gbe yan. Get to our live video. Il y a monkey. Ah, c'est banana no mange no mo. Et au moins donc il y a monkey. Banana is fruit in the Western world. It's not a crime. If you have children, your children feed eat banana. Your children feed banana. So if you say Vera children they eat banana, say na monkey them be. If you were then you have a banana, you have a monkey you were born one monkey. I've been on be like that, my people. You have a monkey or born no monkey. Ma bola we be wagmo. Una know what she do? She carried my children, she carried my entire family, she has bullied me on that fake. I can do everything. That time, I open where they look. I know say time they come. In my boy, like this, yeah, is a compressive way, compressive afiran way.
Banana. Or you want putting the banana away? Come and take it, come and take it, come and take it. Go and sleep, go and sleep. What don't you mean there? Wazu wa gbongbon ko weke man ni bo ju eyeke
lare no make your wo no gbongbon. Make I talk to you is no gbongbon. You see this or gbongbon where you dey tell Vera so. O ma ro pa social media no gbongbon so we. E no dey. Nobody did this social media where even gbongbon reach you. Everywhere working gbongbon say. Not be this attention you define. If you now remember this late what it be name late what it be name later people will say I too like Korea be me block them come on for year. Ah if you what do kere ah gbuwa for 6 months even why na no agbe ogbuwa yeruwa yeruwa o. Admi abe block out this nonsense people where they talk say you too like Korea for ogbo ya we rabi jouer. Wa ho ho abagmo. Come they tell me say I too like Korea. Not be this Facebook you dey when they carry your mama they use and do nonsense. When they carry your children they use and do nonsense. Now you can write you too like Korea. I don't want to carry another person this thing. Bonnie, I be careful.
Walking on that way, babe. Walking on top, boy. Except in our new way.
Walking on top, boy. Umwerita no muki vie. Umwerita no mugi Vera. Umwerita no muarie no reoland ne igbo no yevo bi anetelo. Umwerita no ga hian ga top, boy. Me a talk boy, son talk boy, van. Little guname, yes. Me is a talk boy. Who fool your boy electric light? Who fool who wake back from way? A bag mon war me. Me a talk boy.
Evera no be la je. Evera no tituma. Evera ne junior sister e Katie no Italy. Vera ni jinya bieli o ma tona wu amanye no mi ko kiyen ya na hin o mi ba boyan
ijuweto yesterday when I was doing video here I told you to say what is I'm doing comparison between Hishe and Vera. Na two of una gonna beat me for Facebook. Ijuweto seje Vera do time agmonge ni juwe ya wu. You carry my mother go to do pay show, you carry money enter house. Did I ask you that time? No. But ijumeto or my war, where is your mother? I don't block him. Vera cow tutu. I don't block him. Answer me. Una know how many times they answer me a day. Now me they fear the liver now. Now me they fear the liver. Inside a GPC na my video na full and where she they do the analyze give her people. Fear not the let her do one for public. She's always afraid to say maybe Rita will come attack me, will come ask me. She's always carrying my video to her supporters page inside her Facebook to go and analyze. You go carry and go at GPC, go analyze. If you analyze them with them for them, for that side, you drop one for them. Here, not the latter carry. Me myself, I'll still say, no problem. Now there you for do and live and then face your business. Me myself, if I finish analyzing the video, I will drop her down. No, I just want to analyze this her fight and Vera own. It's very important for me. So you can cry all you want.
Vera no ya we change the edinwa. You got a new way. Oga man we saka nu na e tutu no gwalo no ga mi o afo egbe. In any new way ye you better boom one wa mi o afo wu wa no wa mo an we una no.
Woman e mi no we Vera e. Wu an e mi no we. The truth we Vera define not concern me. That one na your personal business. I don't know the kind of truth we Vera define. Maybe she know. Hey. Me myself, I go want see the truth when she bring her come out. Now when she will come bring her come out, now that time you come concern me because now this Facebook I dey need the truth to need me we pay show. So don't always say real at then we know you real at then alright, we are here. But before that one, you say you don't get what you do Vera. Who carry my matter go give Vera? Who carry people go give Vera? You not get what you do Vera. Who carry people go give her? All the insults we Vera they say ogun ogbera ogun ogbiju ogun ogbiwu ogun ogbonona no himie no mie before we ereke do wi owe a ehona ya pion egi no to bason when na ya see that otejun ki emewe he nearly lose strength because of you otejun ki eme what like ba no be joke we to say adwa kin nya gi no to run dem ewe because what take na pion nya na pion we Vera mama me no we utegi e mi
fear anybody. Eni no ro do kan gbo vera won me na nu ke gbe kan won ya fefefe ma gbe kan won me nu ya gbe kan won me na won kan to gbo e ba me nu wo kan to gbo I go me nu wo kan to gbo e ba nu wo kan se nu ayi ga kan no wu wo be mi ame na ya so se ka wo kan ga kan na
Igo nu ya ye ni me ya mi re pesho o kan gbo Igo wu ye mi ame o kan kin we yo ni cap on the wala you we that more all your life Eri wala yin we that more Igo nu we ya kwa nu we ya ye omane ne iwa we nu ya ye rabi jouer ya we pesho Igo ni o ga gbo o ga kin we nya o ga kin wo wu o ga kin we mi ame o ga kin sawo fo Igo ni o ga jawe la Igo ni o ga di we ya na ro ya bi we rabi jouer de yin nu se Papa ga la we gbe o ha mu we do aka Vera you we gwali ho ti me man we ya gwali go we Facebook do segbe me no to tana nu wo ga gbo we
na ya ton na oli gbegbe ya gbo na oli gbegbe no ru e o yan kan gbo e ko so gbo yo hun kete mere o na bi won no oli gbegbe
o we gbo wa kete You say na small pikin Vera start to the talk person matter more na listen you when me don already tell say you na all those children where they head for back of door they listen to adults they discuss those days now you be na e gbo bo kan we ke ninyere u weri mwinere buku You inherit upon this life with this so. When you inherit it, out your agbon. Oh, when inheriting where you inherit upon. It's just unfortunate to say you be to say all this in winner with the Facebook. Only you go fit they do all of them. Me everybody do like this. Me everybody they do like this. No work paging winner the Facebook. Oh. You don't be like that. Where is you winner name my baby do show who way because he a with him. Eh? A with him. Where is your name my baby total of your way. I can do so. You wanted to eat from my dustbin today. My baby dustbin where is it and I but you wanted to eat from my dustbin, carry my video. Now I collect that video for you and I drop and down. I know they fight cyber war with you since. Now only war of ways. Now they follow you, they fight. War of ways. If you introduce me into cyber war, if I deal with you, finish for this Facebook, eh? But about that when I go bully the fake account, and here you want that talk. Yeah, you why I don't know what you people want. Don't take me to that level. Hey. I take him to that level because me, if I learn something, in a small way, I they do a passport. So the feeling is deep. You can go and cry in your Facebook. I just block you. You don't cry here. I've been looking for you to block you. Admit they look them, they come out, they watch them. It's like you are not watching them so that you can be blocking them. You know, say my Facebook, they already allow them, they look, but I know they let them, they drop comments anyhow. Again, when I see call your bona, why see call your bona, why at your gugiason? Again, sending a video, ya take but 12 o'clock or goon in what. The amu buwa this time around. Many return here the article you want 12 o'clock if the amu guni buwa way. It's just a low bois.
Boge talo. Ou avec Bob your renté toge. And donc ben no bi jouer ton enquête we besoin ou lubi. Besoin ou lubi, on sous mon dent. On aurait wa, on aurait tout. Lai you say you decide GPC.
You are very old like pass. Who you they call like? Who work a Vera told say you come out concern so you give a full bag of rice, but Vera come out with correct evidence debunk and say you don't give a full bag of rice now. Half bag you pay the bribe every time. Now she debunked it and brought out the evidence. Say you were lying. So you can't possibly say Vera is lying because you also lie. You also lying. Eh? Somebody say why can't you create your content? Really? I don't get content. Person wey use me create content these days now, so we can't do and then be my own content too. So that one go make una cry put. You people have to learn how to create content. When you tell your mother to start learning how to create content, other people will learn how to create content. Until she learn how to create her content, people will not learn how to create content. People will be using her to create content, and it's very painful because she told Vera to use me to monetize her page. Vera monetize her page. Your mama is not the product. And now your mama now come they collect all the injury where they come up for Vera page. Now your mama come be the food where Vera take they eat for there as we they talk now. Because now your mama tell Vera say, use and monetize your page. Use and monetize page. Vera don't monetize page infinity. Your mama is becoming a very big cow that Vera is slaughtering on her platform every day. And she's making money. Your mother is becoming a topic everywhere. Your mother, Zana. That's what I'm saying. For now, I don't have content. Maybe later, but for now, I don't have content. Your mother is my content because I have long awaited this opportunity so that I will make your mother my content. Because your mother also make me Vera content for a very long time. She also make me her own content. She has gotten money from my matter before. So me getting money from her matter, until I collected that same money she collected from my head, I will not also leave your mother alone. So social media is vice versa. You don't understand what social media is. If you were in a thing, we don't go back and about the name and where like with the train station. Now that time you go see whether person way gets more body whether than sickness. Abola like beer.
Every day I tell they do announcement. I don't want to present inside UPC. We went UPC and a top boy. Jealousy. And
inside the life me, inside life you know woman who young got top boy son young got top boy then come out, they can't do gift for me for my birthday. Then celebrate me as they celebrate person. That same my celebration where they celebrate me, you don't let me rest. Copy a Vera winning. No, I don't know. Now, feeling is deep. Let me tell you what. If you take my video, see my video on your page, I'm going to block you. I'm going to fight your page and bring it down. And I will block you. What will be your name? Feeling is deep. I don't want to see any of my video on your platform. If I see my video, my picture, anything on your platform, I'm going to be facing your page until I break down that page to level 0. I will not leave it alone. So you have a warning from me. Don't say you didn't get my warning. Okay? I've warned you now. So if you know you have any of my video before, just go there and remove them and delete them because you are biased. You are not a real person on social media. Utemata. You are a very biased person. So people where they biased like you and not like me and the niente. You never say the truth. Now they talk true. Now they talk true. Now they talk true. Why solo? Why so? Any one of you way because of una mama insult me. You get where you go reach. I'll still carry and face am. Bree. Or if you act bad, they do analyze the video, mama. Why is that so? He's a little boy. Hey.
When you follow jealousy, you reach it to my house. You see Oyibo. Whatever area. Unzan. Even the police in Negbe. What bell?
Now when. Now when you visit the police in Negbe. Oh, beg and now Louis Vera ya winning when I no big mama and the police in Negbe. No rampage.
Liar.
Do you know one thing I don't like about her? Devil incarnate. The genesis of the problem of these two people is this woman. This satanic woman. This genesis of, you know, say people too, they believe her before for this Facebook now. They were believing too much in her. If they just say, even my own friend, when me I in Korea those days, he say, I want to carry go meet Monica. I never even went to Facebook. I say, wait till this one, they talk. Who were me? Monica know the kind of person where I be, or tell me, you know where I be. I try. Which kind of nonsense be that one? This is how all this local set of women with inferiority complex they worry. Now so then they use this lunatic illiterates till they believe say now one kind normal person and be this one they use until they threaten themselves. Now so they take for them. Since when these two sisters entered this woman's life, or she entered their life never remained the same. It just be like this Eruwaila, Destiny Bagwa, all of them. Since she come in contact with their life, she will corrupt it in many ways and their life will never remain the same again. And in a way, they support her for that thing. It will enter your life and your life will never remain the same again. If you are a genuine, I will support it. Etag muwa hiya fi wele talking area hiya hito no baby rundom and was supporting the social media. Now they mad.
Eh? Audio, then you say, I give to you. He don't let you play. Play the audio.
Depend on what
Where they beg you. Why are you waiting? After I curse you today, if you not play the audio. Il va boire fier qu'on les lois, il y a fier qu'on les lois, fier qu'on les lois. Il va boire fier qu'on les lois, au social media.
D'abord, fier qu'on les lois. Les social media, fier qu'on les lois, fier qu'on les lois, avant fier qu'on les lois, vous voyez. Les non fier qu'on les lois, les rambis de chien, il va boire fier qu'on les lois, chien. On va filer lois, vous venez vieux, au visuel, il vient, vous filer lois, va bailler, vous venez, non, ouais, côté tabou. Yo, si ça ouais double là c'est à tier bonne et à moins bon dans bois. Il va boire fier qu'on les lois. En dormir boya fier qu'on les lois.
No, I am one. They don't have web no up, but no when I said it.
If we move,
I want to go over. I tell you, he don't want.
you come out. You come out for live video. If you not be me and they do beg me when me sorting and it's so. If you came to beg me. Ni sort one and get tears so. In a way home. Or two when I live video on our team many when I get na big bijou agmon. No boy agmon no yak bed as well even. Na big bijou. Then why va zoom dancing on a yag you work man or ragmo. You work by and then you get away me like in a long time.
Tiabona no mass the live video. Now why way big or you ya Manchester there. I'm your way. I'm your way. One eye of you, I'm another in the raw arm robbers, pocket pickers by Okada Joshua. Chooseless woman, we don't know access. Somebody will just this social media, don't get one content with this.
You don't get content. You always accuse people of not having content, and you don't have your own content from January to December. It's either you use your friend, or you use Destiny Bagua, or you use it. That's the only people you use to make content. Even today, somebody told me that your content was Destiny Bagua. Do you have your own content? Do you have your own personal content on social media? Where the content will go where? The content you created today, Esther Dokpa Yibo Dafon, your content to where the name now. When the content from January to December, na big boy a big vie that Ruba Bahia Veimi, na big Beluwa. Rita, please open back Prudence. Kevin, she's a fan. Prudence Kevin, eh? Okay, I'll tell admin to open now. Okay, I don't see her now. Say, okay, Kevin, la diane already.
No, the one thing. Everything with their body. Oh, my rubber, you know, the women, no muscle, it bad with them.
I go when I like social media, no me rubber hair, mujum. So Vera is better than you. We rubber hair, keka umio. Umami we mujum. One day. The time I went to Yamigo is social media now. If I know Yamigo, no way else one day with him. No see any bag woman I would be off wet today. Number one is Tango. Tango, you don't kill that monument. No Sahai Tango with social media, with Facebook. And you're the first people no way else one go. Having skimmy ya, Destiny Bagua, Esther Dokpayi, Uncle me, my precious uncle. And you're not platform where so a platform where it's a family business. Or he my affair no ayadi there any bio. Or you will understand. Anyway, I open me when I go do a missunu viva. And still, you are not lawyer. You want to still continue oppressing people. A platform where it's a family affair. It's a national cake. That's cry blood. National cake, you know. It's a food for everybody. Because it's a that side for real. Agbog boya.
Rubbish. When no man TJ tag no, a panty no way jo. Twe. Egbena amwe panty jiri. Atalagba talagbubu. Oye talagban, oye talagbubu.
E pa to pa wa be vera ya. E pa te vera be masa wo wese. E pa te vera be masa wo goro la video gba 7. One funny I can gérer non signé pototo baladian. Or 4 way they come out for okay woman way the enter live video 3 times 4 times 5 times a day. Me allow pa any na 4. I who when wala but a pen to wear. A pen to wear ti Afghanistan hon ko gbele soja ya wa wo de gbe ati. bubu. Atalagbaou. E pet we. O sanodik ba se bubu wa seti mwejo. Never. Lai. E pent nou we hianjo. Hey, we pent we fi ezikbe. O gbele ya fe enoro. All the fish we dede. Oh yeah, yak me to no baby. Here ya we rest in peace. All the fish we there ezikbe regbe. Let's just say la wari e fiezeli bia sef. Iwa wa we pent we fiezeli bia because a panty e gain in no phone sin kwa every day. Isha. We pent we fieba. Hey. Ebe na bata. E pent we ti hi call e lapa. Never wala la we buna. Lapa ne wala la we bona ya wa fie wenzo ofo yan ke libia do letali e dosi no we hianjo e lapa e no andi wa hi eni se anu wa ni fun egbe ya o we pete vera o we to je gba u be la la mi go we e do si opa we wasion for nya from January to wasion for nya eba wati mu nyere nya ya ba e party na ya over sabe egbe ya lomion amire la dia egbe party ni e party ni o tol gbe no e party na ya teta fia la ya mu ni bilere my people if you need to be worried ya ni yawa it does spoil everything. If you were not when you go weful, you might do it can't go because we may go to the Facebook, he can't go before. I'm not the beauty, I just they leave you. This time around the where in you, oh you whoa. It will bury you where in you, oh you whoa. It will bury you where in you. Me say me I go weful if you need you. Women me as one go the social media. Ya go na besan. Ya go because you wear no we feel local and you know ya with sadaka, a donation. Ne frank kiti we kedere ya de o mahu agbegbu eyiwo wa ma mi ori ladian e mono ya we donation e government eni waro don ya wa wo hin ahian do we azuo you are getting fucked up on social media if you see that's why I go throw you for mat I go show you wa sun if you let me do for at wa gbebita this time enemy na dia for one na we Otwana la diona tama we bu waro la waro pa igbina ni ma bi we na ye gbefo ni set igbinu wa eva wa sun na go fight for not ya no then you analyze go bi juwe e vera na eri ado analyze go wa boy be ya say menerita o hiwa na le rento de ati wu juwe wu ne wu meje ba dum we ya ba juwe de imi
yes best time I'm not be like Monica be ma swewe ye what that for
ya say besta I want to be like Monica. So in first a day now, he can see collecting. He use something they do. I don't know what you now. Now consider say, when I see the reason why many people they beat him because if they fight one person, he go they fight many people because she wants to have, according to late Oguname. Late Oguname says she always look for attention. Yes, and attention he make it tell attention he may is not giving me money. Wa tell anyway. Ya gbela ko you wa vie no visual. Ya amigo we vie mi sele go vie ze talo la wa for free. We amigo wo we me amigo hime. Ivie yon pa nya va azu o wa ruwe buwe na wo na ya se. Ima wo ya ivie zezego. Ah ya ze vie yezego.
Non serve lo bosseria fiense. O wo pa ke kan no wa wa dada wa tate nwenyo wa tate. Ngenere
na not come when no way to be latest so no dey look chest. Ave fake breast in ya hin valley express no pe wen ni eyin wa fi oye ma na wa re ye ma wa re pe la dian no na ba dis ya ibe mi no me no ko wa na wa ni e fake breast pad ni ya fi oye ma no rally express no mo pe re na o si pe la dian be na yin me na shi jo yen wa mu ejo ni wa ga fi oye na ko ma no ma je brisa go be like person wey no wear brisa e silicone ni ahien ba AliExpress. Why worry ya de vani do vie ma wa bi la video na. Wa mi tan.
We must see the truth, oh. We must see the truth, oh. And then the fact when you say you follow me fight, I wish you feel be the person now, I not compare you. That's why you still fight, huh? I'm win.
Na yera. He said the fight when you say you follow me fight, I wish you feel beat the person now. Amami to ya, amami who na so you fight and they not say. So you be go put people over there, your man tell you say Vera will feel beat them before. You not say some people they not here, your man no soon. Hell. It be like say una need to go ask my mama question. No ha mu wa ngerita sungbe. Osungbe wa agbewu mi mabuwa ma izesi egbe le loto. U be de no to se we sile nu ehia legelege kedere aderi ya wa vivie no bijuwe. Wa oguban oriyo hira ewu. Iga mo hia gbuwa mo hia so nyawa. Kere lafi menji. Anybody ni megbe mo agbe aso nya mo gbe mo so. Yes, mo gbe mo so. Mo kiunuwa mo tiebo beti me agbe. Eri la fi menje ya gbo ya so nyawe. Na so ibi na. Ba bolla we gbe bagmo.
Truth we mu na ni ade mi oto ade mi won because I wo vege wo kin. Odo yan ja we na Nigeria amami oto amami won emi so bie jo ni amami opa no ma wo. Eme awe bie le jeni ni afera ama dege afiwo.
Wa agu de bi e wo nyanya. Oh, we kaya ya wole ya ladin. Even ya wole riviere. Na so de go te wolo yo nko na do via kwada na mienu na to bo we ba vio ya we. Wa mienu wa vio ahia. Eri ogbo ya ladin, wo to bo we avia ladin. Wo we na asan we re we wa. Wo vie we re ladin ma na me ya silo we ya ladin. Wo na iwe. Since una don't go silo my own come. Let me just bring them out. You brought them out of frustration. You didn't bring them out because of say you wanted to bring that to your children. No. That is not how your children came out on Facebook. Your children came out on Facebook because you was looking for a place to bring them out by yourself. You bring other people on. So when you bring other people will bring your own. That's how your own came out. I be not be like that. Oh.
Because everything when you do now half. We should be person where if you stand for something, you must say the truth. It's not gonna
see where their problem come from. Because he look very like Aya Killer. He be carry people matter give and say they are bellion one Aya Killer na them be. Aya Killer, you know they call him fake breast. Na Aya Killer, na him be. Go kill them. By the time we come see and say 3 weeks, Rita is still doing well. We Vera not fit do anything. My friend where I say me Vera come kill me drive and enter house. He not fit drive and enter house. All this chatting with the assistant where they call no one mutu and no mutu and no roster no roll. All the chat where they chat. So it not tell not be today start with the chat. Not say not today our first start. Our first started long time. Not today. You salo boy. Not be today now. See I'm a baby and I'm bioba. I better go sit down, pretty Bianca. See I'm a baby and I'm bioba. Not be today our first start. It don't take we our first start. So we don't get with you now. Want to do and never fair do. Emi no wamae ka nu waswan this time around. We be new thing.